so I just came through and got all the desks emptied out, so that's everyone's stuff. A couple things I learned is that we have a lot of pencils and markers, and we also have a lot of books. So I don't know why, but that's a big stack of books that was inside desks. So now I got to take everything and put it in the cafeteria so that you can come by and pick it up. All right, we are getting this room cleared out. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of desks left. I'm just taking mostly math books and binders, notebooks, putting them in a bag, putting names on them, and then putting them in the cafeteria. So we're gonna finish up and move on.